Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is Frecky Fit Wolf. It's Sunday, do you know what that means? Do ya? It means it's time for my weigh-in. Do it every Sunday. For anybody that's new, every Sunday, that's today, weigh-in day. So, let's get into it. Alright, so first of all, room's a mess. As you guys know, I was out late last night. Didn't feel like cleaning all that this morning. And Selena's still sleeping, so didn't make my bed. And that's all usual. But the closet door's open, so we're going to pretend you don't see any of that. Because my head covers it. It's fine. But yeah, so anyway, it's Sunday, you know, the beginning of a new week for me. Last week was an eventful week. I mean, it started Vlogtober. I'm vlogging every single day. That's going pretty good. I do need to get like some of the other YouTubers and record some ahead of time, but we'll get there. It's a work in progress. But also, I had a lot of back pain. I don't know if you have watched every single one of my videos, but there were 2 days where I was basically stuck because my back spasms were so bad. I was on the floor for a little bit of it because the bed was getting too not supportive enough. But I'm doing better. That's good. And so, and also with Vlogtober, we started our Foodie Fridays. Lisa from over at Dumpy to Diva and I started Foodie Fridays, where you guys give us a challenge box of 5 ingredients. We each make a recipe with it and post the videos on Friday mornings and then go live on Friday nights to talk about it. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed the challenge, and honestly, if you haven't watched what I made, that artichoke chicken, oh my gosh, it was so good. I plan on making that a staple for something I want to make because it was so good. And for you know, a serving of it's 12 points. For me, that's perfect. So, enjoyed that. Hopefully you guys did too. If you have any suggestions or comments about the format that we're doing it, let us know. We are, you know, everybody knows it's a work in progress. It's something new for us. One thing that is going to change this week is we figured out a way so that Lisa and I will both be on the same screen. In case you don't know, we don't live in the same area. I'm in Missouri. She's in West Virginia. And so, but we're both on the same screen. And this week we'll be streaming to my channel when we go live and to her channel at the same time on Friday night, 7:30 p.m. Central Time. So whether you watch me or you watch her, you'll be able to have easier access. And I do want to say, I did notice that there are a lot of times where we had like 13 or over 20 people in there, and not a lot of people commenting. So one, is it just because you're not a chatter, you just like to observe? Totally cool if that's the case. But two, is it because you don't know how to chat on the live chat? If that's the case, comment down below, let us know, and when we do it this Friday, we'll try to show you how to activate the chat box. It'll be a little complicated because Lisa knows how. It's always on by default for me, so I don't know how it's not there for you guys. But if it's not, she knows how to explain it, and I'll get pictures and stuff and all that. Because I would love to have a lot more reaction, a lot more interaction. That would be fun. We have a good, like, 5 people, I think, that were consistently chatting. Awesome people, by the way. Like, that's why I'm loving the lives, because we can interact and kind of personalities come out a little bit more instead of just, you know, typical comments. So that was so much fun. Plus talking about the videos and all that jazz. But yeah, so anyway, the week's been great. Obviously, it's Sunday, and I've been talking for like 5 minutes now. So let's get into the weigh-in numbers. Sure you're curious? I know I was. So, starting weight, 376.8. Current weight, 343.2. Does that sound familiar? Oh yeah, because last week, 2 weeks ago, I weighed 343.2. Last week, I gained 2.4 pounds. And this week, I lost that 2.4 pounds. So I'm down 33.6 pounds, which I'm okay with. I was secretly hoping that it wasn't a real gain last week because I don't know what I did to cause it. So I was like, okay, well then I'll lose at least 2.4 next week because that's not real, plus some extra. Didn't happen that way, but I lost everything that I gained, so whoop-de-doo. I don't care if I didn't lose extra. I'm happy. So yeah, so sorry, I get blah, 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 blah. You know me. But yeah, so that is great. I'm very happy with that. Oh, I was hearing noises. It was just a doggy. I was like, is my roommate coming home? Okay, so mini goals. So we've seen these numbers before. I changed the font because, like, one, they're a little more matchy for my Vlogtober Halloween-y feel, but two, I didn't want to just copy and paste the numbers because 2 weeks ago you saw these exact numbers. But let's go over them again. So, mini goal. I want to get to 351.6, which that will be me losing 40 pounds. So with me being at 43.2, that means I only have 8.4 more pounds to go. I'm still excited even though I've seen these numbers before. Like, I'm getting really close to that goal. And then Dragon Con. I want to get to 263 by Labor Day next year, which is when Dragon Con takes place. So, with my current weight, that means I have 80.2 pounds to go. I also noticed there is a typo. There is no L in pounds. I have the little, what are those called, colons? So, my bad. Just pretend there's an L there. It's early. I was out late. But I didn't get drunk. So, But yeah. So those are those numbers. You've seen them before. They're back. Hopefully this is the last time we see them. But it's not the end of the world if it's not, you know? And that is one thing to remember that, you know, I've said it a million times, so I'm probably going to say it like 1,000,005 more times. But when certain weeks aren't wonderful, you've got to just, you're going to be mad. You're going to be a little frustrated. That's understandable. But give yourself your little pity moment, like I did last week, and then just remember that when you zoom out, it's not going to matter. Like, that gain last week, a month from now, I'm not going to care. I'm not going to be like, man, I would be 2.4 pounds further if I didn't gain that week. Like, it's not going to happen. So just be easy on yourself. I'm telling myself this as I'm saying it to you guys. And just go with the flow. And I'm also saying that with Sandy from Let's Get Fit with Sandy. She did not have a great weigh-in this week. And hers is like mine was last week. Don't know why. And it's frustrating when you don't know why. And it's a decent gain, like over 2-pound gain. It can be very, very, very frustrating. But like I said, have your pity party, get angry, and then just move on. Just focus on the next week. Make the next week better. And then can lose it the next week, like I did this time. And so just focus on that if you have weeks like that. As I said, I'm saying it for myself and for you guys, but still, because then this week I'm happy because I lost it. Alright, so my microphone randomly cut out. Don't know what happened, but I was in the middle of the end anyway, so I just want to officially say thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Thank you to everybody that is new. I love you all. Please like, please comment. You know I love my comments. I love interacting with you guys. I love learning about your stories and the journey you're on and how far you've come and what your goals are, all of that stuff. So please always, always comment. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit the little bell so you know when I post videos. And until tomorrow, when I do whatever I'm going to do tomorrow, I'll talk to you then.